Welcome back everybody to another beautiful day down at Haulover Inlet and Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host Broncos Guru in collaboration with our good friend Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the inlet, and today we're ready to do battle in another 5-round competition to see who can win, whether Haulover or the boats will take a victory today. Our first contestant to do battle with Haulover is going to show you what it's like when you have a bow rider coming through Haulover Inlet, and here as we can tell, it's not that the boat's a bow rider, we've got two people who decided to ride in the bow of this Axopar, which is never really a good idea at Haulover because you never quite know what you're going to get, but this crew's going to try and ride it out anyway, but I think they're going to be in for a little bit of a rough ride. As we can see here, we're already smacking down pretty good, and I got to imagine some people are going to have a little bit of back pain after this one. And even though this boat's going to make it out of Haulover Inlet safely, that crew in the front took one heck of a ride and one heck of a pounding, and for that reason alone, we're actually going to go ahead and give this first round to Haulover Inlet. Our second round contestant is going to show you that not every vessel handles Haulover the same. For some vessels, even on a rough day, Haulover can kind of be a stroll in the park. One of those vessels including this Nortec that's coming through Haulover right now. Here you can tell this crew's rolling in kind of at a leisurely pace. They're not really crushing as they come rolling through the inlet, but they're rolling at just about the right pace. The boat's up on plane, they're letting the boat do the work, and really just having a nice little stroll in the park as they come rolling through Haulover Inlet. Here we can see as they get closer to the mouth of the inlet, the seas kick up a little bit, they get a little air, but they're just having fun out there enjoying themselves, and this Nortec is handling it just fine. And right here we're going to see a pretty easy win for the boats, even on a fairly rough day. Once again, every boat handles it a little different, but as long as you got the skills to be able to operate the boat and understand your conditions, you should be able to go through there and have a good time, kind of like this crew's doing right here, taking a win for the boats. Our next contestant to do battle with Haulover is going to show you what it's like when you go ahead and take that express to Splashtown. That's right, we've got a midnight express rolling through Haulover, and let's see how our captain and crew winds up handling this as they come into the inlet. They're coming in just a hair slow, they are trying to keep the bow high, but it doesn't seem to matter with this vessel right now. They're about to punch it right through a wave here, and we can tell they've already taken water over the bow. The kid in the middle is kind of walking up the console to try and stay dry, and we're going to smack down one more time, and boom, water everywhere coming off the dash, and Haulover's going to take a win in this round. Our contestant in the fourth round is going to bring the friends and show you what it's like when you come running through Haulover with the crew. Here we're going to see this Everglades coming out of Haulover Inlet, and once again, it wasn't just a captain and a couple friends. This crew decided they were going to load everybody up, go out there and have a good time. This crew does do it an interesting way though. They try and see how many people they can get right behind the console, but they do just fine coming out of Haulover, and we'll go ahead and give this round to the boats. That'll take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And here in the fifth round, we're going to see a pretty interesting one. We're going to see somebody basically let their vessel come rolling through Haulover Inlet on autopilot. Now when I say autopilot, I don't actually believe this vessel is equipped with autopilot, but my man has decided he's going to focus more on trying to hold on versus trying to captain this vessel and navigate it through Haulover. He's set the throttle, he's pointed the bow out the inlet, and he's just holding on for dear life and letting the boat truly do all the work. Oh, right here we get a little air, and he's still not even grabbing the wheel. He's just letting it ride. However this boat decides it's going to make its way out of Haulover Inlet, that's exactly how my man's going. I don't know what to do on this one. He kind of looks like he takes a win a little bit to me, but I'm going to let you guys call it. Let me know in the comments below. Does this vessel wind up taking a win here in Haulover Inlet in the fifth round, or does Haulover wind up taking the win? It's a really tough call here because really he didn't navigate it, he just let the boat do it itself. But let me know in the comments below who won this episode, the boats or Haulover Inlet. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.